Hey everyone! Welcome back to Xplody FPS. It's your girl Saira, and today I'm finally covering something so many of you have been asking me about. Someone commented the other day, "Do you know how to fix Clownfish Voice Changer volume being so low?" So I thought, let's make a complete guide where I'll show you how to fix all the main issues with Clownfish Voice Changer. That includes low volume, voice not changing, Clownfish not launching, mic not being detected, and why it doesn't work in Discord. Alright, let's take these one by one. Let's start with this one, since we got a direct comment about it. It's a common one, and thankfully easy to fix. So if Clownfish is super quiet, even when your mic is maxed out, this might be caused by your mic input settings or Clownfish not boosting the volume correctly. Here's what you do. Right-click the sound icon in your taskbar and choose Sounds. Go to the Recording tab, select your mic, then click Properties. Head to the Levels tab and turn your mic volume up, ideally to 90 or even 100. Now open Clownfish. Right-click the tray icon and go to Setup, Microphone. Here you'll see a microphone boost and anti-noise option. Turn both of these on. That gives your voice a cleaner and louder signal inside Clownfish. Just don't scream into the mic now, okay? Alright, so if your mic works, but Clownfish doesn't change your voice at all, do this. Right-click the Clownfish tray icon, go to Setup and System Integration. If the status says Install next to your mic, remove it first, then install it again. Now that your virtual driver is refreshed, again right-click the tray icon and click Set Input Device. Choose the exact same mic you use in Windows. Do the same for Set Output Device. This should be your headphones or speakers. And finally, this step is super important. At the top of that tray menu, make sure Turn On Clownfish is clicked. When Clownfish is on, its icon turns orange in your taskbar. If it's gray, it's off, and the voice changer won't work at all. Yeah, it's easy to miss. Trust me, I've done that too. Now, what if you double-click Clownfish and nothing happens? No window, no message, nothing. There are a few reasons this can happen. First, always right-click Clownfish and choose Run as Administrator. That alone fixes it for many users. Second, you might be using an outdated or broken version. I've linked a working and trusted version in the description. That's the same one I use, so go download that. Third, you might have a conflict with other audio software, like VoiceMod, Morphox, or even some soundboards. If you're using one of those, try uninstalling or disabling them. They often block Clownfish from starting properly. And finally, your antivirus, especially Windows Defender, might be silently blocking Clownfish. To fix that, go into your antivirus settings and add Clownfish to the exclusion list. That usually gets it working again. Now if your mic is working in apps like Discord or OBS but not showing up in Clownfish, it's likely a hardware compatibility issue. I've seen this happen a lot with jack splitters, cheap USB mics, or extension-based inputs. Clownfish doesn't always detect those properly, and in some cases, the mic just isn't supported for voice processing. But don't worry, I've got you. There's a separate tutorial on my channel that shows a 100% working fix for this issue. Check the link in the description if your mic still isn't showing up. Also, just make sure your mic is actually working, okay? Here's how to double check it. Click the Windows icon and search for Control Panel. Go to Hardware and Sound, then click on Sound. Under the Recording tab, find your mic, and when you speak, you should see it blink or bounce. That means it's active and working fine. Okay, now here's a sneaky one. Your Clownfish works on your desktop, but not inside Discord or Zoom? That's usually because those apps are using a different mic than Clownfish is processing. Let me show you how to fix that in Discord. Open Discord, click the gear icon at the bottom left to open User Settings. Go to the Voice and Video tab. Under Input Device, select the same mic Clownfish is using, not your default one. Once selected, scroll down and click Let's Check. You should now hear your voice with effects inside Discord. And yes, finally, your robot voice will show up in the VC. For Zoom, it's similar. Just go to Audio Settings and pick the same mic Clownfish is using. And that's it! All the main Clownfish issues fixed in one video. Volume, effects not working, app not launching, mic not detected, and Discord support. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if your issue got fixed, or if you're still stuck. I'll help you out personally. And don't forget to subscribe to Xplody FPS. We've got way more tutorials and fixes coming up. This is Saira, going back to prank my squad with weird voices now. See you in the next one.